all my dear friends. My name is Shagir Viswas of class 9C of Yamuna House, presenting tonight a video on the topic Quit India movement. India is the land of different cultures, heritages, many languages and religions. Despite the differences, our India is united in its diversity. India has the largest written constitution with some important features like sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, etc. But the journey of today's success was not so easy till the British colonial rule. Many such wars and riots had taken place to bring reform and to make the country free from the alien power, the British. And one such movement was Quit India movement. The Quit India movement is also known as the August movement was a movement launched at the Bombay session of the All India Congress Committee by Mahatma Gandhi on 8 August 1942 during the World War II, demanding an end of British rule in India. The British must quit India immediately, Gandhiji told them. To the people he said, do or die in your effort to fight the Britishers. Gandhiji and other members were jailed at once, but the movement spread. It especially encouraged the peasants and the youth who gave up their studies to join it. But over 90,000 people were arrested and 1,000 were killed upon by police firing. The British had the support from Viceroy Council, which had the majority of Indians, such as the All India Muslim League, the Hindu Mahasabha, the Princely State, the British Indian Army, etc. Thank you and have a nice day.
Our trip to India to convince people in staying in the Union is finally over. We did our best to succeed, and I hope so did the leaders of the Indian people, who were full of anxiety and thought that they would bring about a useful result to our discussion. But we did not succeed, and with that is the end of our political discussion. India is getting rogue and isn't beneficial for the Commonwealth anymore. Thereby, I would like to conclude the partitioning of India must be done, and with that, whatever useful resources are left must be snatched away from the Indian people.
मेरे प्यारे भारतवासियों, अब हमें पूरी आज़ादी चाहिए। मैं मंत्रिमंडल से कोई समझौता नहीं करना चाहता हूँ। मुझे भारत की आज़ादी से कम कुछ नहीं चाहिए। एक मंत्र है छोटा जो मैं आप लोगों को देना चाहता हूँ, करेंगे या मरेंगे। या तो हम भारत को आज़ाद करेंगे, नहीं तो उस कोशिश में हम हमारे जान दे देंगे, परंतु हम हमारे गुलामी देखने के लिए जिंदा नहीं रहेंगे। हम पूरी कोशिश करेंगे भारत की आज़ादी के लिए। अब से हमारा एक ही नारा होगा, अंग्रेजों भारत छोड़ो। जय हिंद। नमस्ते।
कद था उनका छोटा सा और सर पर उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान रे।
अंग्रेजों भारत गांधी को रहा करो।
India movement. The Quit India movement, also called Bharat Chodo Andolan, started in August 1942, which was launched at the Bombay session of All India Congress Committee led by Mahatma Gandhi on August 8, 1942. The protest was started to demand a conclusion to the British rule in India. Since in August the movement was held, it was otherwise called August Kranti or August movement. Everyone of the nation started dreaming of free India inspired by Gandhiji's slogan, "Karenge ya marenge."
everyone, this is Smriti Anand of class 10B roll number 32 standing over here to deliver a speech on the topic of Quit India movement. The movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi at All India Congress Committee's Bombay session meeting in 1942 turned into a revolution that struck the final nail in the fight for the independence. The struggle was real. Most of the members of Indian National Congress was imprisoned few hours after Gandhi's speech. Many business persons were against the movement because of the profit they were making on heavy barter. There was a lot of opposition that the movement saw. But still there are 5 lessons that we can learn from Quit India movement. In short run, the movement saw a lot of separation, but in the long run, the movement was the only element that made the British realize that they cannot control India for too long. The first lesson that we learned from Quit India movement is believe in your cause. The cause for the movement was the freedom. The many groups throughout the country believed that they will be freed from the clutches of the British if they fought for it. Today also the situation is almost the same as of that time.
A warm welcome and a very good morning to the viewers. This is Arora Corver from class 10 and I am here to present a speech on Quit India movement. The Quit India movement is also known as the August movement. It was formed by Mohandas Gandhi at the Bombay session of Indian National Congress Committee. This movement was launched in 8th August 1942. The main motive of this movement was to end the fascism and the imperialism of the British government in India.
Hello, this is Ankit Chand and I am going to say some lines about the Quit India movement. The Quit India movement was also known as the Bharat Chhoro Andolan. It was launched by the All India Congress Committee at the Bombay session. It was launched on 8th August 1942 and the main objective of this movement was to demand an end to the oppressive British rule that was continuing in our country India. This movement gave us some real life lessons which we should reflect in our life on our daily basis. The first life lesson was unity in strength. The Quit India movement made the people of India united to fight against the cause as thousands of people coming together and formed groups, even being beaten, suppressed and imprisoned together. The people of India all were struggling for getting independence against the oppressive rule of British. The second life lesson is that we should never stop trying. As we saw that by banning the civil disobedience movement, but the people always just fighted and struggled for what was their root cause and they just believed on their leaders. So we can learn that we should never feel disheartened that we are getting suppressed. We should always try and we should always fight for our right which we have, and we should never be careless about the fact that we should let us oppress anyone by any means. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Arijit Bose from class 10C standing here to deliver a speech on Quit India movement. The Quit India movement. On August 9, 1942, this Quit India movement took place. And thus, this movement is also known as August Revolution or the Bharat Chhoro Revolution.
ये बात 1942 की थी, जब भारत अंग्रेजों का गुलाम था। उस समय कृष्ण सिंह प्रस्ताव लेकर गांधी जी और उनके साथियों के पास आए थे। 9 अगस्त की सुबह ही गांधी जी और सभी बड़े नेताओं को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया था। गांधी जी को गिरफ्तार कर अदा खान पैलेस में रखा गया था। सरकार के इस कदम से जनता अचंभित रह गई थी। उनके पास ना तो कोई दिशा निर्देशक था और ना ही कोई रास्ता दिखाने वाला था, तो उनके पास खाली गांधी जी का एकमात्र मंत्र, करो या मरो।